Unraveling Idioms, Hat in Hand. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English idiom, hat in hand. This phrase is a wonderful example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. It's not just about the words themselves, but also the images and ideas they evoke. So, let's dive in and understand what hat in hand really means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, hat in hand, is an idiom in the English language. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. This can often be confusing for learners of English, but it's also what makes the language so rich and expressive. To come, hat in hand, means to ask for something, usually in a respectful or humble manner. It paints the picture of someone holding their hat in their hands as a sign of respect or submission, perhaps when asking for a favor or apologizing. This imagery comes from an older custom where removing one's hat was a sign of respect, humility, or deference. To better understand how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. After losing his job, he went hat in hand to his brother, asking for a loan. 2. She had to go hat in hand to her teacher to ask for an extension on her assignment. 3. The company came hat in hand to the government, seeking a bailout during the financial crisis. In these examples, the phrase, hat in hand, is used to convey a sense of humility or respect in the act of requesting something. There are variations in expressions similar to hat in hand that convey a similar meaning. For example, cap in hand, this is a variation often used in British English. With one's tail between one's legs, this phrase also suggests humility or submission, but it's more commonly used in the context of defeat or embarrassment. Understanding these variations can help you grasp the nuances of English idioms and expressions. I hope this video has helped you understand the idiom, hat in hand, and how it is used in English. Remember, idioms like this are what make learning English both challenging and fun. They add color and depth to the language, allowing you to express ideas in a vivid and culturally rich way. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use idioms in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!